Hi, I'm Amanda Sorensen, a visual education specialist, and today I'm bringing you insights from the 12-week year.
Today we'll go over some lessons from the 12-week year by Brian P. Moran and Michael Lennington. Shift to 12-week cycles. Tired of setting annual goals that lose momentum? Embrace 12-week planning cycles. Shorter cycles heighten focus and urgency, propelling you toward success. Set realistic goals aligned with your vision and witness progress week by week. Achieve what you'd typically accomplish in a year, but in just 12 weeks. Set clear and compelling goals. Ignite your imagination and envision what you truly want to achieve. Break down your vision into clear and achievable 12-week goals. Each goal becomes a piece of the puzzle, fitting perfectly into your vision. Sprint towards your vision with purpose and determination. Create a weekly execution plan. Make progress by creating a detailed weekly execution plan. Map out specific tasks for each day and prioritize based on impact. This is your scorecard. Allocate sufficient time for each task and stay on track. Consistency in execution is key to achieving greatness. 85% for each week and above is on track. Overcoming obstacles. Encounter obstacles? Embrace a proactive mindset and plan for them. Seek support from mentors, peers, or coaches to overcome challenges. Setbacks are opportunities to learn, grow, and become stronger. Review and adapt. Review your results weekly, acknowledge successes, and address setbacks. Adapt your strategies, set new goals, and keep moving forward. Believe in your ability to succeed and achieve greatness.
Want more? DM me and I'll send you a sketch note version of this whiteboard video with 2 bonus takeaways and another book suggestion if you liked the 12-week year. If you need a whiteboard video, follow the link to my Upwork project catalog. I'd love to work with you.